So, Bitty Bitcoin. Um, we were streaming yesterday around here, and I said it's still up because it technically was still up. We had this low. Um, we had a high. We actually had a higher low here. This was the failure, but at that time we didn't have a lower low. Um, Still had a higher low, and we're getting some divergence. So since then, we actually obviously failed, and we've dumped. So um, we are in a local downtrend. If we do have something like this, I would probably be expecting a short or even to August. It's probably a stupid level to be honest. Let's have a look. Let's put it from here. Yeah, so August weekly. There's probably a lot of liquidations around August. So yeah, I'm probably looking for a short up there. If we're in a long from here, then yeah, fair play. It still does look a little bit meh, but we do have 2 weeks in the band and we're bullishly divergent. So not the worst. Not the worst. I actually bidded Sundog on this crazy wick, like down here. I think it was like here, and then I did like 100%. So I took like most of it and then got stopped down. So that was nice. I actually haven't been trading very actively, but I'm gonna start again soon. The last thing I want to say is, bro, Popcat looks crazy strong, by the way. So let me go to the daily. We've got 2 daily high swings here. We do have a red dot on the oscillator, and we do have lots of wicks to the upside, but it's, I mean, it's still up until proven otherwise. We actually haven't made, I mean, I guess you could say that is a low here, and we have wicked into the band, so yeah. But as long as we stay above Q4, this is gonna go at some point. So, and it's just showing crazy major strength. So yeah, looks good. I'm gonna pick that as my monthly altcoin. Don't copy me, or do you copy me? Um, yeah, KF. If you're not um, familiar with the legend board is just you just pick an altcoin that you think is going to do well every week or month, and you can win some free crypto. So, and I think I did hit one. I was looking at something else, but I can't really remember. So, um, I'll open it back up to you guys. Um, can unmute my mics. Can type in the chat what you're looking at. And yeah, I am looking at buying more token, even though the chart
I'm
looks
curious, like if
ass.
you take a look at that 63.4, I feel like that 63.4 level you were just showing, that's the level I've really been looking at. Um, it seems to be like a logical kind of bounce at some point, and then maybe we continue down. Is that what you're kind of seeing?
Yeah, I mean, I am seeing something like this, and then some major shorts in here, but it depends on the long to short ratio up here as well. I am kind of expecting that as well. That would be a lower high, and then trend change. So, and then we can see what happens when we get down to 58. Would be my next target.
Right. That's exactly what I've been looking at.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting. But even if we do say like August or even weekly open, like anywhere here, there's a lot of liquidations, and then maybe we might make a higher high, and it could just pen it out like
So
this.
these month when you have these months here, what do those represent?
They're the monthly opens or the Q3 opens, so they're the major opens of the month. So we got May, March, July Q3, October Q4. So that's the open that just happened, and then August weekly open. And you can find that
Never, yeah, I've
on
never seen anybody put that. Yeah, look at that like that.
you can find that on AI charting tools, or Agro Master has it
Hey,
down
by the
here.
way, I was talking to my lady, but I have not heard of that exchange or I haven't used it. But I'm also usually pretty wary just about being on an exchange that has enough liquidity for me.
Yeah, because he's a big, big daddy. um,
So yeah, it sounds like maybe I should switch over to Blowfin.
it sounds like they have no liquidity on the exchange, so you're getting shagged, one in fees, two in slippage. So you should be able to
Right.
limit like $30 away from the price, and it won't trigger a market. Yeah. So let me check the chat. Oh, no one in the chat. All good. Um, yeah, we got poker. Let me link the poker event. Poker every Saturdays is free buy, so feel free to join in.
What platform do you guys play on?
So a guy called Stock Poker in the Discord has his own platform, and he puts in $100 of his money every week, so it's like free to enter, and you can win $100. And then there's obviously rebuys for like $5. Um, yeah, it usually goes on like 3-ish hours,
Oh wow.
2-3 hours on Saturday. Yeah.
All right. Well, I think I'm gonna get some sleep.
Yeah, it's pretty late for you, brother.
Yes, it is. I appreciate the help.
No worries, have a good one.
Yes, and you.
And then, yeah, obviously, if you haven't subbed to the YouTube, got bare subs now. But yeah, anyone else looking at anything? I might as well go. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. See what's happening. See if we can catch a nice little swift in. Interesting, interesting. It's probably going to bearishly retest this and go a bit lower. Oh yeah, so I think I did say on my last stream, this was what I actually didn't take this trade, but I must have been streaming like it was literally right here, and I was like, if we do get a failure on this, I'll probably be looking to short it, and we did close with that W and a huge wick up there. Would have been a nice short. Personally, I didn't take it, but um, let's have a look. Oh, yeah, 23%. It's nice. I didn't take it though. But yeah. Yeah, anyone need help with the settings, indicators, any charts anyone's looking at? If not, we'll just. This actually looks pretty decent.
Hey, Jack, it's me, How?
Hey, what's going on, bro?
Good, good. Yeah, I was just wondering, like, from your experience so far with the Algomaster, is there anything like are there any coins which you would recommend on looking at for like lower time frames, say 15, 30 minutes, even 1 hour? Uh, so the signals are sort of uh, reflecting better on, say, you take a short and then, a couple of candles later, you don't have to switch it too long. Because I tend to find that a lot a lot during like my daytime, produce that very short time frame of a sell, and then suddenly you get a buy, and then you get a sell.
Mhm.
And what I'm trying to find, if there is, if there are maybe a coins where the algo master works better and does not produce so many buy sell signals.
Mhm. Um, yeah. So I found that Algo Master actually works better on 1 and 4 hours. Some people are actually
Okay.
getting very good results on like the 3 minute and obviously the 5 and 15 minute. I would say that you should the coins that it works on is anything. It doesn't really matter what you use it on. Um, I would say try and tweak your sensitivity. The autopilot for me is a little bit janky like this. So for example, you can see I just turned it on and
Mm.
we're getting buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. But if I turn it
Yeah,
off and it's on 5
that
sensitivity, you can see that
yeah.
this cell just carried it all the way down to here, and then you got a buy and then another sell. So I would
Mm.
recommend, like, I've been having problems with the autopilot. I have it on because I'm just doing testing because I have my old setup here. Um, so because I just want to compare them, but I would say turn on the backtesting data and to multiple and try out some different sensitivities. I know it's really annoying because you're going to have to change them for each chart that you're looking at, but if you want better results, definitely check the data and tweak your sensitivity. Um, if you're on lower time frame, you might want to go higher sense, but
Okay.
um, hopefully the autopilot gets a little bit better, so then you can just it will just go to the best sensitivity for the chart you're on. Um, but yeah, I would I would recommend messing around with the sensitivity.
Right. Okay. Okay. So I'm
And
guessing the autopilot might be good if I'll set up a bot, because then I don't have to worry
yes,
about anything.
yes.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I
so
was
the
I was
auto.
talking to Egil about the bots, so I'm just trying to find some time to properly understand and focus how to get the bot done. But in the meantime, I was like, yeah, try to think how, if I can do anything manually.
Yeah, and just mess around with the indicators.
Right.
It is very annoying. Like I find it very annoying that the autopilot doesn't work very nice for me. But it still is a new indicator, and it will probably be tweaked more. I think the autopilot just makes it more aggressive, so
Um.
you need to make it less aggressive. So like for example, if you have it on autopilot and you go on a higher time frame, it will probably try and get you in the move way quicker. So for example, like there's a sell here, and it's got you this whole 4 hour move all the way down to here, and then the buy is quite early. Whereas, should we take autopilot off and see, just on 5, see you're going to get a bit more aggressiveness. So you got some indecision here, and this buy signal is probably a couple candles later. So, um, yeah, you just need
Yeah.
to tweak it a bit, and it's not great in ranging situations because it's obviously going to change its mind a lot. But when it
Mm-hmm.
does swing, it will catch lovely moves.
Yeah. Yeah. What I found on a few tokens, that the 4 hour many times produces either the buy or a sell signal when I'm in bed,
Mhm.
or it produces the buy or sell signal for the actual proper long or proper short. I when I'm you know sorry, well, it produces the buy or sell signal during my daytime, but then it's a bit of a fake one,
Mhm.
which actually would be stopped out within a few hours. So yeah, trying to literally find
Yeah, I would mess around with the
the
sensitivity, and also one thing that you one thing that you probably shouldn't be doing is just blindly taking the buy and sell signals. So, for example, if you get this sell signal here and we're literally at support and we haven't made a lower
mm,
low, see we got a low here, we haven't made a lower low. I personally wouldn't be taking this sell signal, especially if we have something on the oscillator which goes against the sell signal. So don't take these as like absolute.
Yeah.
But for example, if you get a buy signal down here, and it's like, okay, we're probably like we're looking pretty bottomed, especially as we made a higher low. Let me just zoom in. Especially as we're making higher highs, sorry, higher lows. This probably might be more of a legit one, especially as we wicked into my band. So yeah, it's more about using it in conjunction with your knowledge of price action, and not just
Right.
blindly being like, okay, buy, sell, buy, sell. You can do that, and if you have good risk management, you will make money, but you're not gonna win. Probably, like you won't win every trade because it will give you conflicting signals like this. But if you do catch something like that here, this one, you'll get like a huge move. So like this, what, like 35%. And
Mm-hmm.
you probably get stopped out on this, but if you take this, you'll get like 40%. This is Popcat though, so yeah, just yeah, try and tweak the sense. Delete all of these.
Good morning, Jack.
Hello, Egil, buddy. Just
Hello.
wake
Hey,
up.
Egil.
Did you get the German sorted out?
I've got a call with him in a couple hours. Yeah, in like 2 hours. Yeah.
It's a
He's a
struggle
German in New York.
with the language. Yeah, okay. So he should know a little bit in English
Yeah,
then.
it'll be fine. I actually have had Germans on calls before with Stefan, and we just use Google Translate for like difficult words or something. But he seems to know a little bit of English.
Yeah, and we also have Jan. He's German, so but he don't use much of the indicators.
Yeah, he's more just fibs and bang and
Yeah,
botting.
like forex and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean, I think I'll be able to just do some standard tweaks to his indicators and sayings, and then if he wants something a bit more in depth, he can go to someone else.
Yeah, he basically wanted like almost a default, what?
Yeah, his charts look horrible, so it's probably just
Yeah.
very simple trading view stuff.
I think
Rather than,
he's been clicking on way too many things, and then he got
yeah,
lost in the settings.
yeah. It doesn't look great, but I'll sort him
Like
out. It should be
the
alright.
first he should try is back to default, you know.
Yeah, you should just reset the thing. I think it's because like his background and stuff looks horrible, so it probably looks
Yeah.
really bad. But yeah, I'll be able to sort him
Also,
out.
one thing I think we should show all of them is how to remove the title stuff in the indicator. So you saw his screen was filled with the numbers and letters.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Where is that again? I can't remember. Max told me ages ago.
It's
It's in style, no? Or
it's not that one. I think it's on the on the screen itself. You see, I'm not even open up anything yet, so I can't look. Go to settings there.
yeah, no, that's settings of the indicator.
Yeah, no, it's not there.
I thought it was in style or visibility. I think Max told me ages ago, and I was like, oh, yeah. And I never touched it again.
It's in the just click on the background on the chart. Yeah.
Status line.
Yep. And arguments down at
Yeah,
title.
one of these. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, it's the second one on titles. You have indicator, title, and
Yeah,
arguments.
there you go. Ah, yeah. And then values as well.
Yeah, both of them actually. I think.
Yeah. Yeah, if anyone
I
hasn't
see
done that before.
a lot of the newcomers they struggle with that because the screen is so filled with everything and that it's hard to read them.
Yeah, I mean
Using.
that's just trading view stuff. It's not actual indicator stuff.
Yeah, but a lot of people don't know about it.
Hear me out. Family portfolio: 1K daddy, 1K mommy, 1K popcat, 1K. Just son. What's your son or daughter token? Mudeng? You love a bit of Mudeng.
Udang, yeah. I haven't checked it today.
Some guy bought like 6 soul of Mudeng and turned it into like 20 mil in like 2 weeks.
There's only one reason for me to buy it. Flux is working with them.
Flux is what?
Also, to be honest with you, bro, I
Hmm?
can't support Moodang anymore
Why?
Why?
because of the zoo, bro.
Is it? Is it?
So heard some dirt on the zoo that's keeping Moodang, and the zoo themselves are a bunch of pieces of shit, and they
Oh.
really don't care about the animals. They like in one of their shows, they make elephants swim in water, um, like make them swim to like the bottoms of pools and stuff like all day.
Oh no.
Um, anyhow, not a huge fan of the zoo, so I'm refusing to support the meme because yeah, I
I
just
rate
don't
that.
think that's cool.
I actually like animals more than people, personally.
Yeah, so do I. That's my thing. Like,
When you see an
yes, I understand that the baby
yeah,
hippo's cute, but I don't support a zoo that's going to treat animals like shit. So,
yeah, that's sad.
stupid
Um,
idea I had though. Only costs like 5K. I just got to find a son or a daughter token and just say fuck it. We're just gonna send it just for the lulz.
yeah, there might. I think could be Ponky. Ponky looks decent, you know.
Sounds like a good plan.
If this can close above the yearly open, because look, we got 2 lows on a daily here. Bang, bang. It will look actually good.
And it's a decent meme too.
Yeah, I like the name. You know, I think it's got a great name.
And some funny meme connected to it. And
I should have taken that short though, man. Fuck. It's literally at a perfect time as well. It's at 1 p.m. for me. Yeah, how are you guys finding the autopilot on Algo Master? Because I'm not getting very good results with it. Um,
I'm using it for both, and of course there it's working good. You get the best sensitivity,
yeah,
or maybe not the best, but the best profit margin
yeah. Like,
because it uses that. It doesn't use the
does it change the
biggest.
sensitivity for the time frame you're on as well?
Yeah,
Okay, because I don't think it's getting the best sensitivity for the specific time frame that I'm on. Um, because sometimes when I have it on and I change my time frame, and then I turn it off and change the sensitivity manually, I get better results.
you shouldn't.
Yeah, I know I shouldn't, but you
Mm.
know, maybe that's just
But you
because
have
I'm
to.
looking at like the last 10 or 10 trades, not
But
25.
what do you mean with better results? Because it used the profit factor, right? It's the highest profit factor. It's the one that auto sensitivity chooses. It's
Yeah,
not the highest net profit. It's the
no,
highest
but the
profit
I
factor.
mean, I kind of mean like less conflicting signals.
Oh yeah, yeah. That
Um, but I guess if you're botting it, that's fine because it's just going to automatically bang, 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 and then when it does get the last sell or buy, it's going to run like 10%, so it just makes it all back.
yep.
But if you're doing it
That
manually, you you get caught up in the chop.
mhm. I haven't checked my bots today because they were in a short when I went to bed. So I'm pretty sure they're still in the short
Hmm.
because the numbers on the watch list is deeply red here.
Get a
My
little
VIP
pump.
bot is 15% up.
Your what bot?
VIP bot.
Nice. Damn, I need to buy like an extra screen.
AVEX just flipped long on the bot.
What time frame?
1 hour.
Wow, super low buy signal as well.
So I've noticed that Algomaster is struggling a little bit. I get that
Yeah,
red exclamation point more and more now.
yeah, I agree.
They're supposed to be easier on the indicator after the last
Update.
adjustment at TradingView. Yeah,
Mhm.
new update from Chris.
Let's see. Damn, missed that Bobcat long.
See, just going through Bitcoin and a couple of different metrics overall. I think for right now, the only thing
I'm guessing he's coming in a few hours to tell us everything.
Yeah.
You're playing on the 3 minute now, huh?
Yeah, I used to do this a lot, especially in my first sort of streams where you just sit on the 3 minute and take setups.
Yeah,
3 minutes
minute
good.
used to be my favorite, but it's I'd dialed back on the scalping.
Yeah, me too a little bit. If I have a day where like I have barely anything to do, I will scout for the whole day because I can just sit on the charts. But I actually I need more screens, man. Fuck. I definitely need more screens.
Yeah, I have 2 laptops and that's not enough at all.
Yeah, I
I
got a
need to.
laptop and a monitor, and I needed like two more. I'm gonna get a fuck off 120 FPS gaming one.
Curved one, big fat curved one.
I don't think I have the space for a curved one. A curved one in the middle and then two either side would be perfect.
Yeah.
I know Zeus has got like 10. Oh no, sorry, Jay's got like 10. When you watch his videos and he's got like a whole Sky Sports like interview plays back there.
Yeah,
HQ.
it looks like he's like a pro
Hacker
TV
or some
producer
shit.
or something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Um,
It's pretty wild.
I can't forget when he was in his little rubber dinghy.
Yeah, that was
Great.
hilarious. It's probably a nice little range on Popcat here.
Looking at Bitcoin, we got that triple bottom that they talked about yesterday on the 1 hour.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. You got double
And the
wicks
last
into the band
one,
as well. If this can like do this and then get a higher low, would be nice.
have you adjusted your bands? They're different than mine. My
Uh,
band dropped down 8 o'clock last night.
my
So the
bands are
last 2
just
weeks didn't touch the
combination
band.
and 5. It's just default.
Mine too.
Really? Does it look different?
Oh, screenshot time.
Yeah, show me. Ah, imagine having. We should have autopilot for the bands. That'd be
So
pretty
there I
unreal.
posted it.
Let's have a look. Hmm.
It dropped down, so we didn't look into it.
Yeah. What? It must be the chart you're on. Oh, you're on Algo Master.
Yeah.
Let's see. Check my Algo Master bands. Yeah, see. Algo Master is different. This is my old setup on Trendmaster.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So yeah, Algo Master is the same for us.
Because that one is combining other bands.
It should be the same, really.
Mm.
But I guess it's a little bit different.
Which one is it you're using?
What? Just the combination?
Yeah, but progressive.
Oh, on Trendmaster. I'm just on Focus.
Oh.
Simple.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Hello.
What you up to?
Not
What you're
much.
skipping work
Oh
again?
God,
I don't
about
give a shit
this guy.
about work.
This guy.
Yeah, guys, I can't be in a stream with this guy. I gotta go.
He sold you about poker last Saturday.
Bye.
This man's just playing mind games with me all week.
Ooh. Spooky.
Jack,
Halloween.
I installed the Trendmaster now, and it's the same as the one I had. The bands on
What?
it. Yep. So
Are you sure?
how
What's up?
he have some strange bands on his
Which one? Algo Master?
Trendmaster?
Go on the Binance chart. Is this Binance Perp? Oh, what is this?
That's spot.
I think it's, yeah, I think it is Spot. Go on the same chart and check.
Chart doesn't actually matter, but bands type. What kind of type do you have on? Combination
Yeah,
and sensitivity of that?
5.
Default.
Yeah, just the default.
And what's weird about it then? I don't get it. I have exact the same, only different colors.
Me and Egg will have different reads on ours. Apparently.
How?
Mine dropped down. I have this like the
Yeah, okay,
algo
but that's a
master.
different one, right?
It's supposed to be the same because on
Mm,
mine, when I installed both of them, mine are the same.
okay, and your Jack?
Mine's just stayed straight. Like,
Yeah, mine is as well
Mine,
straight.
yeah. Look in chat here. I posted a screenshot of how mine looked.
Shit.
They dropped down 8 o'clock last night.
Yeah, but we have those are the different bands which you have on, right? That's not combination. Or it is.
no,
Yes.
Oh,
it should be.
Algo.
It's just on
Those are
Algo
the
Master.
Algo. Yeah. Alright, wait, let me get the Algo.
Yeah, it's the same on Algo Master for me. So it must be different.
Band combination and then static of overflow. Static order flow, right? Yeah, order flow
Yeah.
is different. See,
Yeah.
I have exactly the same what you have, guys.
Ah,
But
okay.
those are different because
Yeah,
let
but
me look.
that's just a fill, right?
They shouldn't be different.
No, that's just a fill on it, so it's the center. It shouldn't be different.
Very
That's weird actually.
strange. See, that's why, like, Algo Master compared to my old setup, it's only good for like swings on the 4 hour for me. I'm not really finding much joy on like hourly, 15 minute, 3 minute.
On the Algo one or on the
Yeah,
Trend
on
Master?
the Algo Master. So I got my old setup here, and it hits way more.
Uh, yours I get on Trendmaster on spot chart, not on perp chart. On perp chart they drop down the same time.
What chart is this? That's buy bet spot.
Annoying when it's not the same. Huh?
Yeah, but that's a small difference actually, so I don't think it should
But
be
it
like
makes a
that. Or
big
maybe
one.
they code it differently.
.p. Let me check the perp.
The one I'm looking at is the crypto chart, like the
I was looking
BTC
for
USD crypto.
Crypto, okay. Yeah, it drops down on mine on that
drops
one.
down.
I guess it's
Yeah.
just different for whatever chart you're on.
What exchange it is and what chart it is.
That's
Um,
perp
It
Binance.
shouldn't be. It shouldn't be, huh?
no, well,
It,
Binance and
it,
Bybit, it will stay straight.
it should. Different exchanges have different price action, right?
Yeah.
So it should be a little bit different. A major different, but it should be.
That's a big difference though.
Yeah,
I've got to be
that's
honest. That's a
quite
huge difference.
yeah.
Because if this band goes straight here, you just get like usually you would get the band going straight, and it would just close one in there, one
Yeah, but
above.
what's the difference in price? Where did they hit the middle wick? Yeah, it's lower than on
Oh yeah,
mine.
five nine
See?
nine 92, and
Yeah,
then
that's
this one.
way lower. That's mine.
Actually, it's quite similar though. 5998. That's $6 difference, and that's a $6 difference the other way. It's quite
Yeah,
similar.
it's quite similar.
Crazy, crazy.
Hmm.
That is strange though.
Which
First time I noticed something like that.
Gailing Daily Open. Nice.
yeah, waiting for the fucking pullback up, and then want to short this so badly.
Don't get burnt.
Don't worry.
You're gonna be
Why?
so dialed in on shorting, Adrian, that when we finally get the big pump up, you're gonna miss it.
Do
You're
you
gonna
think?
be waiting for the short and waiting for the short, and then we're gonna pump straight through.
Nah, I don't think so.
It happened with Chris last bull run too. I was listening to him.
Yeah,
He was
true.
so upset.
True. He was pissed. I know. I know. No, I'm quite keeping in check. I mean, yeah, I'm talking always about the fucking go to the zero shit and Ponzi scheme and whatever, but I'm still longing it. I'm still going on to it on both sides, and it doesn't
Yo,
matter to me.
this Eve chart looks pretty good on the 4 hour, if I'm honest. For a long.
Don't tell me that Eve looks good.
I
That's
would not.
fucking
I would not short this right now. You gotta
All
be
in,
oh.
huh?
crazy.
Actually, it looks
100x all in.
You gotta be crazy to short that.
shit.
Morning. Good
Morning.
evening. Hi, Jack.
Morning. Nice to hear
Hello.
from you.
Been a long
Are you
time.
everyone having an argument over ETH? I
Yeah.
see.
Argument? No, it's going to zero. Look at that, guys.
You're gonna
It's
be my liquidity.
Yeah.
quite playing out. I don't want to say nothing, but
Hey.
I like it.
Yeah. Cat ears. I can see it. I don't like ETH. Horrible.
You short the coin, Wazzle, and then I'll long it, yeah?
Mm.
And we'll We'll see who wins.
I'm not voting right now.
Yeah.
I don't say I'm right now in the short.
Just
I
reminds
want
me of
to,
poker last Saturday.
Ooh, that was a good one. I was fifth, so it was a good one.
You were decent. You were a bit of a wild card.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I actually quite like that.
But to be honest, um,
Bro, you beat me and I had pocket aces. I
Yeah,
don't know
that's
if I would call that
crazy.
good. I would call that luck.
That's actually crazy.
Hey, Zeus, please tell me how sour you been over there when you saw those cards.
He can't sleep at night thinking about
it. How madly you wanted to kill me. I told you, mate. Are you sure? I asked you 6 times. Are you fucking sure about it? And you still went to it. Oh boy.
Someone should have clipped that, man. That was
Yeah,
hilarious.
I wish. I wish we
But
could
Zeus
have
was
that.
rightly talking his shit. He was, "Are you sure about that, Adrian? Are you
Yeah,
sure?"
he was really sure about it. But I was like, oh, this dude, he's fucking playing, you know? I was like, he's bluffing. He can't be right. All right, okay. We'll see.
I'm convinced you've literally just got like nothing through your head going when you play poker. You're just like, "Oh yeah, fuck it."
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sometimes I'm like zooming out and I'm like, let's see how it's gonna play. I'm not thinking it through. And sometimes, like last time when we played, like couple hands, I was like, all right, let's think what they could have and what's the deal was gonna be. So yeah, it was like couple times I was like really, really thinking like about the hands, but most of the times I'm like blanco. Let's see. And I'm just looking at the. Most of the times I'm looking like how aggressive everybody is, and then I'm playing it.
Yeah,
So
I got you on the last few hands yesterday.
yeah, yeah, you got me by on that. Yeah, that
It was
was
good
fun.
fun though. We need like a couple more of the MDX crews so we don't have any stock
Definitely, we need like
pokers.
9 people, right? In
Eight or
group.
nine is fine. Like we had
Uh,
what 5 plus stock pokers. So if we get
yeah,
like
that would be
just
cool.
3 extra, we can just make it MDX only.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Yeah, that'll be fun, man.
Yeah, those 2 guys, that was like fucking horrible on the end. That was not fun anymore.
So boring, bro. At the end, I was
Yeah,
just like, get me out of here, man. Saturday night,
yeah, exactly.
8 p.m. Saturday night, get me out of here. Where are you from, by the way?
Me,
Yeah, you.
I'm living in Holland, but I'm from Poland.
Oh, nice. Maybe time to
Yeah,
go back to Poland soon.
I wish, mate.
Polska.
Polska,
Oh,
Polska.
look at that! Who is there?
I'm
Look
here. I'm here.
at that! Listening in the background. Sneaky little Polish bastard.
Yeah.
Uh, does use no fucking stand.
Polska, Polska.
No, I'm thinking about to move to Poland, but that's gonna be like in some years from now. Not really this time of the year.
Yeah,
I'm thinking I'm planning that my parents gonna buy a house over there for the retirement of them, and then I will do the same.
that's pretty
So
good.
that's we are working now on it. But I used to live in London for 8 years.
Oh, yeah? When?
Yeah, in the Centrum. Oh, mate, that was like
Ages ago when it was good.
oh yeah, oh definitely, definitely. That was I'm
No.
already like wait 5 years over here. So that was like 2014.
Yeah.
Yeah, from there the 8 years back. Yeah, that was way before Corona even. Yeah, I
Oh,
used to live
my
there and
dog. Sorry, I forgot my spoke. Sorry, my spoke is still on.
no
Sorry,
worry.
Adrian. Keep.
Yeah, back when London was good.
Oh, mate, it was amazing. I mean, yeah, London is London, so I saw like shitloads of dangerous things and people waving with guns, and I was robbed 2 times even.
Mm.
But yeah, it's still London, but it's amazing. Fucking love it, mate. I was living in literally in the center of fucking London, in the city, and I was like walk distance 2 streets from my work.
Mm.
So yeah, it was fucking lovely.
Probably
Loved
crazy
it.
expensive now.
And
Mate,
you moved to Holland.
mental. Yeah, I moved back to Holland because my fucking stupid ex-girlfriend. So yeah, thank
Ah.
of her, I'm back over here. And I always, when I used to be in London, I always said like, never, never fucking again. I'm coming to back to Holland. And here I am, for fuck's sake.
You don't like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's okay, but it's boring and people are stupid and everything what's going on over here uh, with let's say tourists. They stay a little bit too long over here. Bullshit crap.
Mm.
Politicians are fucked up and people are crazy. It's not horrible, but it's like low key fucked up countries there.
Is it getting worse as well?
Yeah, everywhere it's getting worse. Only Poland
Not
stays
Polski.
stable. Yeah, yeah. Oh
Poland
mate, we get it strong. Uh,
and Hungary.
and Hungary, yeah. I love
I'm
Hungary.
I'm
Used to
getting
be there.
Austrian passport.
Really?
Ah.
Yeah.
Awesome, mate. Good. Are you planning to move as well, or?
Maybe in the future. Like I'm only 25, so give it
Mm,
a couple more years.
yeah, of course.
But yeah,
I
I
mean, what's
probably
going
am.
on in UK, that's not really the best place right now
Yeah,
as
they're
well.
gonna fuck me with the tax, bro.
Yeah, that's why.
Oof. That gonna be fun.
Not gonna be fun.
Mm-hmm.
I have a friend, my really best mate from like, oh mate, from like kindergarten even, when we used to be together in Poland. He lives in Liverpool, and he just bought a house like last year. And he told me like, "Fuck, man, I don't know if this is the biggest mistake I ever did in my whole fucking life." So yeah,
Yeah.
so
We should just
yeah.
get a
If all goes
massive.
well, the plan would be to actually go to retire in Spain, get
Yeah,
some
I mean,
sun.
I have a family over there, and they don't really like the place anymore as much as they used to be. I mean, it's the
Mm.
same shit like everywhere, like with the, let's say,
Yeah.
you know, which kind of people are going over there, like the same like in Holland or in whole Europe they try to go in.
Mhm.
So there are like fucking massively overpopulation of those kind of people. So it starts to get dangerous as well. And the
Mhm.
politicians are as well not that, correct anymore like they used to be. So,
Mm.
dude, 22 and you move out from your house? I was 16 when I moved out of my fucking house. What the fuck you talking about, man?
Yeah.
Shit.
Ah, crazy, crazy times.
Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. I mean, it doesn't look all colorful and nice, but
We should just get a massive MDX mansion in Thailand.
oh, yeah, that would be nice. Yes, even not China, but in Japan, I would like to be. That would be fucking awesome as well.
Yeah, but a lot of people don't speak English in Japan.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But
That's
I
the
would
only
not
problem.
mind to learn Japanese even. I would like to learn that.
It's
Not
hard
that
though.
I'm gonna be able, but yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
Caribbean's
truly, it's
nice.
hard. It's hard language,
Caribbean.
but it's on the same level as Polish language. So for us from Poland, it shouldn't be that hard because I know like shitloads of people from Poland who speaks like fucking fluent Japanese.
Well, Egil.
Yeah. See, if you can learn Polish, you can learn anything.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what they say. If you can learn Polish and speak Polish, or even like speak only, don't write or read, yo, mate, you can learn everything.
Yeah.
Polish is fucked up language, mate. Mate, can you imagine my childhood? I have a aunt, really close one to our family, and she's like a teacher on school.